everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 355 Bond Street in Cobourg. This lovely home is situated in a great area. It's close to shopping, schools, and a short stroll to the Cobourg waterfront. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the spacious living room. The country kitchen is spacious with lots of cabinets and is open to the dining room with a gas fireplace. The main level has 2 bedrooms, a laundry room, and a renovated 3-piece bath. The upper level has a large primary bedroom with double closets. The backyard has a spacious deck and 2 sheds.